Alright guys, back down the lake again for another try. Different spot this time. There's my two beauties. Just had one. Just setting up, just put one out on a bit of krill pellet. I'll show you what I mean. Problem is they're a bit small. So the little fish go after them. Put about 3 on an air rig. Smell good. But they attract them. I had that big one on it yesterday. But yeah, I'll let you know how I get on. Ta-ta for now. Bye bye bye. Thanks for falling down. My belt fell down. Oh. £4, Dave. The trousers falling down. Guys, lovely jumping. And away she goes. And away. For the last day. Knockings. Well, that little beauty was on the halibut pellet. Only a little one.